What's up, guys? Tonight
Hey guys.
we are hunting for coyotes in New York. We saw a couple already. We just can't get to them.
We're hunting with these babies.
Airsoft. So
These airsoft guns. We don't know what good stuff we got. And this is the beast. We've got an axe. Just in case, because you know airsoft guns, it'll probably hurt them, but it's not gonna do too much damage. So we brought along an axe. And guys, only do this if your parents say you can.
If not, you can get in trouble.
Yes, this is really
dangerous. And do
dangerous.
not shoot onto other people's property. You can get charged for that.
Yes.
And if you break a car window, you have to look at.
Yeah. But guys, we don't know. We've seen a lot. We've heard a lot. We almost shot my dog earlier. We thought she was a coyote.
That wasn't even funny. I know.
Like, she was running from the truck. She was running from the truck, and she was going straight directly. She was going straight directly to the fence. So we thought she was a. We thought she was a coyote. I know, guys.
That was Callie again.
Oh my God.
Dude,
I
heard that sniff.
I heard a sniff. I was like, what the heck? Guys, our dog just freaking scared us again.
Dude, that scared me. You can hear.
I know. She went like this. She sniffled. She went like that.
They probably could hear that in the background. That's scary.
Yeah, that was freaking crazy. So guys, yeah, we almost shot our dog. My dog almost earlier.
You hear that? Is there like an ocean or something around? Oh my God, it's a stupid dog.
Oh my God. I need to put these dogs up.
Yeah. I don't leave me out of the stuff.
Yeah, but my mom don't want me to.
Because they're trying to sleep. And the dogs will be rushing. Oh, I know. I can see them.
Guys, this is really dangerous because there's not just coyotes out here. There could be
Bobcats.
Where we live, there's bobcats, there's all kinds of stuff. There could be wolves. We're just doing coyotes right now. I mean,
there could be.
That's why we brought around an axe, because we never know what could come. I mean, we got a lot of lights, but we don't.
Not really.
We're pretty far out inside our back, inside the woods.
I think we get you, though.
Yeah. But guys.
I swear.
Hey, chill.
Is that the dogs?
Get that way.
What? It's a dog.
Alright. Once again, we've got dogs everywhere.
Are you sure it's a dog?
Guys, no action. I'm telling you, we're going to get some action for y'all. We just don't know when it's coming. What? What the heck? There's a train coming. Oh, there it is.
Where's the dog? I'm dead serious. I don't fear dogs.
Hey.
That's a dog. That's a dog.
Blue. Heel. Oh, that's Callie.
You shot it.
Guys, our dogs are crazy.
You shot him.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, look.
He would have squealed. Guys. You didn't shoot him. So guys, sooner or later we're gonna start getting merch in, but not yet. We're still making our decision. We don't know what we're gonna do. Put a comment in descriptions down below and give us some ideas of merch.
Whose gun is this? It's yours, right?
Yeah, it's my gun.
That's yours.
Guys, and these aren't the spring ones. That's why we're out here. If these were the spring ones, then we wouldn't be out here. These are the CO2 guns. These are the CO2. Fudge. Hold up. Alright guys, that was just my clip today. But guys, the reason Ricky hasn't been in this so much because he's protecting us. But y'all want to go see? We're gonna. So this is.
Wait, hold up.
Yeah. What? So guys, let's go. Hold up, I'm trying to put my gun in my pants. Alright. Is that Callie? What? See? God. This is my baby Callie. This is the one we almost shot a couple times. Hey. Hey, will you put this in my pocket? Well, in my pants. Put this in my pants. My pants. My pants.
Oh, it's funny too.
Okay. Alright, so guys. See, this is Ricky.
Hey, Ricky.
And guys, the reason I've been with Ricky is because I haven't got my channel started up yet because I need a GoPro. Whatever. My mom hasn't got me a phone yet, so. Here's Ricky.
Alright guys, well we haven't got any more action, so we're gonna end the vlog and we'll try again tomorrow. Bye guys.